Um, Tonight's live is busy. It's gonna be busy tonight. I've been doing, I've been cleaning the inside of my house. So I'm done outside. Inside, I'm gonna be here dusting on the chair and the table. Look what I've done today. I got so much done today that I did not open my store. I closed my store. Hello everyone. Good evening. Shout out everyone. Um it is cooler tonight. It is cooler tonight. And wait, I'll tell you. I will the weather, I hope it will rain tonight. I don't know. I'm not sure. So shout out um, Filipino widow of an American expat, Philippines. Shout out to all and good evening. If you are watching right now, one is watching. Hello, shout out to you. Please comment. Please comment. Live chat. Please comment.